honey lemon pepper wings, and the only seasoning you're gonna need is that Uncle Dibbz Atlanta lemon pepper mild. Let's get it. First, coat your wings in canola oil, and then go ahead and season them with that Uncle Dibbz Atlanta lemon pepper mild. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Throw your wings on a baking sheet. Before they go in the oven, add a little bit more of that Atlanta lemon pepper mild to them. Hit it in the oven, 375, about 45 minutes. While they're in the oven, we're gonna make our honey lemon pepper sauce. Melted butter, honey, some more of that Atlanta lemon pepper mild, some fresh lemon juice, then give it a nice mix. Flip your chicken after 45 minutes. Go ahead and give them a toss in a nice sauce. Try not to drop your chicken, and you're good to go. That's good, shawty.